We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here, Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace and reset your drum in a Brother Intellifax 2840. So this fax machine does take a DR420. You want to open your front hatch here and pull this lever. Then what you want to do is you need to separate your toner from your drum. So press this little green tab. That will pop this out and you can take it out. Set your toner to the side. Go ahead and unbox your new drum. Then take your old toner, stick it in your drum. Once you hear it click, you know it's in. Okay, and then you want to, this green little tab, you want to just slide it over and you want to put it back in its locking place. So you'll be able to hear that when it's in place. Go ahead and take your new drum and toner, put it in your printer. Once you hear it click inside, you know it's in. Don't shut your hatch. Leave it open. And then you'll go ahead and hit the clear button. And it says replace drum. It says 1 for yes, 2 for no. Hit 1. And now it is telling me to shut the front cover. And it will now reset the drum. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.